Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Finish Powerball Ultimate Dishwasher Detergent Pods right here. Right here I have the Finish Ultimate Dishwasher Detergent Pods. Freshly new, just came out. You see that new sign right there as opposed to being old. #1 recommended in America. I don't know who's recommending it. Maybe it's your neighbor, maybe it's not. I'm not exactly sure. Right here, it shows the Powerball right there, and it says cycle sync, right ingredient, right time. I don't know what that means, but it says ultimate clean, tackles. Getting closer so you can see this with me. I have eagle eyes. I want you to have them too. It says ultimate clean, tackles burnt on stains, removes 24-hour dried on stains, diamond shine. All right. So on the back, it says to use these right here. It says 1, put in, okay? Close tub lid, discard empty pouch, okay? So you gotta use this. Gonna go ahead and open this up. And inside, you see, here are the Ultimate Pods. A little bit different from the last ones. It has the detergent on one end, then it has the blue stuff, which is, I don't know what the blue stuff is, but it is almost as important as the red stuff. And the red stuff is, I don't know what the red stuff is either, but a combination of all three of these makes one incredible detergent pod, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these. Now they're soft pods right here on this part, and then the detergent, the powder is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open my dishwasher. And here are my dirty dishes. You can see there is a little bit of egg dripping down right there. It smells pretty bad. Look at that grime right here. So that's dirty grime on that cup. Plates, dirty, look at all stuck on. And I believe it has been 23 hours and 59 minutes. Not quite 24 hours to remove the 24-hour gunk, but to remove the 24-hour gunk. So I have it loaded up. It smells pretty bad because I haven't ran in a couple of days. And I actually have a dish right here. Looks like protein powder or something right here. I'm gonna put this dirty spoon right here and this mother cup down in here. Look, it's dripping down. All right, so I have the dishes in there, all loaded. Let's see how well this works. I'm gonna go ahead and put in one of these red, white, and blue All-America Finish Ultimate Pods, detergent pods in here. And we're gonna see what, my voice just cracked. Going through puberty, it sounds like, but I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and select my settings. I'm gonna go to on, I'm gonna go to normal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start it right here. All right, and let's see how wow, this Finish Powerball Ultimate works. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut this. I'm gonna press the start button. Oh, you have to shut it. And let's see what happens. Let's check out and see what happened with the Finish Ultimate Pods. See how well of a job that it did. See if this is worth getting a bid. So right here, these are the pods that I used. Now let's check out the dishes in the dishwasher. Now, the light is still on in the dishwasher, which means it's not completely done, but it's in the dry session of the wash, which means that it's done washing and it's done drying, or it's continuously drying right now. But I'm gonna open it up. I think they're probably dry even though the light's not off, so let's check this out. Look at that. Look at the steam come out here. Look at the steam come out. Look at the steam. I'm gonna go in. Now let's check this out. Now remember that nasty glass that I had? Well, it's not this one. It was this one. Look how clean it got. That's pretty crazy, right? Got that glass pretty clean. Remember that bowl that I had? It's not this one. This is a cup. Just for you all who do not know, this is not a bowl. This is the bowl. Flashback. Do you want to see that? Look how clean it is. I had a pot in here, all of this stuff. So it looks like the Finish Power Ultimate pods do a great job at getting things clean. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching and watching.